Hello, guys! Tired of reading long articles and wish you could just listen to them instead? In this video, I'll show you how to turn any blog post into a high-quality voiceover in under 60 seconds using Murf.ai. Let's start the clock. First, find the blog post you want to convert. Just highlight all the text you need and copy it to your clipboard. Now, head over to Murf.ai and start a new project. The first thing you'll do is choose your voice. Pick one that fits the tone of the article. Here's the main step. In the script editor, just paste the entire text you copied. Murf automatically splits it into paragraphs for you. Now, all you have to do is click the Generate Audio button. And just like that, Murf converts the entire article into a professional-sounding voiceover. You can now listen, make small edits, or export it. You've just saved hours of recording and editing time. This is the fastest way to turn written content into audio. If this quick tip was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI hacks. Thanks for watching.